Hi, I'm Tony with Pig Brig, one of the co-founders, and we're here today to do a video on how to properly euthanize pigs in the trap. The key is to have confidence in the trap system, and you don't have to shoot through the side of the net. We can go right up to the edge, over the top, and properly euthanize these animals after they've been secured. All right, so the key is to let the animal settle down so that it's easier shot placement and you're not actually trying to shoot a moving animal. Again, patience and poise, and we're trying to shoot for the center of the brain so that it's technically a form of euthanasia by the American Veterinary Medical Association. There's no rush. I usually use the edge of the trap to get steady and wait for them to pause. You have a quick form of euthanasia in the trap. And then I often, just to make sure, I go around and I'll shoot them one more time just to ensure that they're properly euthanized. All right, so we just went through a brief scenario on how to properly euthanize pigs in the trap. These are 150-pound boars, and I just use a standard velocity 22 rimfire. It's more than adequate if you shoot in the center of the brain. And what I try to do is I use a red dot scope. You can use a regular optic. But you need to think about having where your gun is zeroed relative to how far the pigs are away, and make sure your ballistic compensation is appropriate, because as you can see, your bore relative to the center of your optic is quite different. So I have this gun zeroed at 20 yards so that at the back side of the trap, my dot is on. If they're halfway across the trap towards me, I literally have to aim inch high because of the difference between the scope and the level of your muzzle. So always be mindful of where your gun is zeroed and how far the pigs are from you as you're euthanizing them.